Hello, this is your action-tired news reporter here at the Desert Paradise Archery Range. We're shooting the 35-pound Black Hunter recurve bow. We're shooting bare bow, and I don't know about in other countries, but here in the United States, it's illegal to remove certain animals from your house or your garden or your property. If you had a barn on your property, it's illegal to remove these animals. We're going to shoot those animals today, so let's get to it. Our first animal, well, let me preface this by saying that I don't know what our politicians are thinking. 90% of these animals that we're going to shoot today, if they're on my property, if they're in my house, they're gone. Red arrow represents woodpeckers. They control tree-boring insects. They eat them, and they play a vital role. Woodpeckers score a total of 22 points. That's a good start. Our next arrow represents migratory birds, protected by the Migratory Bird Treaty Act of 1918. The act covers over 1,000 species. Studies show a decline of nearly 3 billion birds in North America since 1976. Migratory birds, yellow arrow. Migratory birds score a 16. Our next arrow represents non-venomous snakes. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service lists various species of these snakes that are in danger or threatened to become extinct. They're represented by orange arrow. Non-venomous snakes, orange arrow, scores a 17. Our next creature is frogs and toads. Many of these are protected so that they can help control insect population, represented by white arrow. Frogs and toads score a total of 15 points. That puts them in about 4th place. Next in the quiver is gopher tortoises. Found in the southeastern parts of the U.S., it's a threatened species for extinction. Their burrows provide shelter for about 100 of different animals, represented by black arrow. Gopher tortoises shoot a 12. Not bad grouping, but low score of the day so far. Next up to the line is sea turtles. Now there's 6 different types of sea turtle, and they're all on the edge of being extinct, so they're highly protected. Sea turtles are represented by blue arrow. Sea turtles score a 19, puts them in 2nd place. Yay, way to go. Next up, we have the bald or golden eagle. These birds are protected under 2 different acts. It's illegal to remove these, even to have a feather from one of these birds. They're represented by brown arrow. The bald eagle, our national bird, scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! He's the first to break in the gold. Hip hip hooray! And a total of 23 points. They take 1st place. Our next victim is owls. From the tiny elf owl to the great horned owl, they're all protected by law. Having an owl in your area is a good sign of a balanced ecosystem, represented by green arrow. Owl's green arrow scores 1 in the 9 ring. Yay! And a total of 21 points. That puts them in 2nd place. Yes! Purple arrow represents the hummingbird. They're protected under the Migratory Bird Act. You can feed them, but you can't touch them. Hummingbirds didn't do so well. They scored it in the 9 ring, yay! But only scored at 14 points and a miss down in the corner. I tried to take out that washer. Wow. Here we are at the winner stand. And in 3rd place we have Green Arrow with 21 points representing owls. In 2nd place we have Red Arrow, the first arrow that shot, representing woodpeckers. Woody woodpecker right here with 22 points. And in 1st place we have the bald or golden eagle with 23 points, represented by Brown Arrow. There are our winners, but we're not done. We have some honorable mentions. There are certain lizards that are protected. I can think of one right off the top of my head, the Gila monster. It's the biggest lizard I know, and it is poisonous. Bats, they protect those because they're insect eaters. Certain butterfly species are protected, so before you destroy your butterflies or move them off the property, you better check. And last, this makes me laugh, squirrels, cute little fuzzy things, are protected. So there you have it. Today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. I still only have 1 person signed up for the shoot-off. So do me a favor, take a minute or two and let me know in the comments what color arrow you'd like to have represent you in tomorrow's shoot-off. There you have it. I've got sweat dripping off of me. It's terrible. I found out that we have 46% humidity right now. I'm used to the dry heat. The winners and I would like to wish you a good day.